Hey guys, it's Sai. As promised, I'm back 8 hours later because Ferrari revealed the 488 replacement. And it was just shocking to so many of us in so many different ways. Everybody thought it was going to be hybrid when they first gave us a sneak peek yesterday. People thought it was going to be the SUV they were going to reveal, but they revealed a 488 replacement. This new car is called the F8 Tributo, and it's also shocking because it's the first time in 40 years Ferrari didn't use the word GTB to name their V8 coupe. Why is that so shocking? Does it give room for Ferrari to introduce another V8 that's possibly hybrid later this year? There's probably a group of people that were more shocked than I was this morning. That is the Pista owners. The F8 Tributo looks almost identical to the Pista, and the performance numbers are literally almost the same, and it's not limited. Looking at the front, the aerodynamics are completely different than the 488, but they're not so different than the Pista. It almost appears very similar to the Pista, including the scoop in the front hood. What's even more upgraded than the 488 and the Pista, though, is the headlights. These are the same updated headlights that the Portofino had, and it's actually an upgrade to the headlights on the 488 and the Pista. Looking at the side, you guys will remember the scoop on the Pista was open and very aggressive. And looking at the Tributo, it's pretty similar, but just not as open. The back is where it gets really interesting, though. I personally think the back of the Pista looks super aggressive, but what they did with this new F8 Tributo is they took the back of the 812 and made it even more aggressive. And I would actually like to see them to do this to the back of the 812. Let's take a look at the interior in the pictures, I mean. So the interior is very, very similar to the 488, but the one thing that stands out the most is the air vents. The 488 has kind of like these sloped air vents, and they changed that to be these round vents in the F8 Tributo. Compared to the Pista, though, I think the Pista is so much more aggressive on the inside than this new car, because the Pista is completely stripped out, there's carbon fiber everywhere, and the center stock especially is kind of this raised carbon fiber center stock, even that the LaFerrari has also. So in terms of that, I think the Pista definitely is still way more aggressive on the inside. In terms of performance, all three cars, the 488, the new Tributo, and the Pista, are all 3.9 liter V8 twin turbos. And the 488 produces 660 horsepower. The Pista, you guys will remember, makes just over 700. And this new F8 Tributo, forgot the name for a second, F8 Tributo produces 710 horsepower, which is mind-blowing to me because it's so similar to the Pista. In terms of 0 to 60, the 488 goes 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. The Pista goes 0 to, I was going to say 360, 60 in 2.8 seconds. And this new, what's it called? F8 Tributo does 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, Ferrari is estimating. So again, it's so similar to the Pista. I just don't understand. Maybe the real difference in the two cars is how this new car sounds. We haven't really seen the new F8 Tributo on the road yet, so I guess we don't know. We kind of just got we got a couple pictures from Ferrari, so that's what we're basing this off of. But so far, it's looking very similar to the Pista. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this new F8 Tributo that Ferrari just released today. Personally, I'm still waiting for Ferrari's announcement of their hybrid V8, so we'll see when that comes out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this brand new car. And subscribe to my channel, you guys. Turn on your notifications. And I will see you Monday.